Hello and welcome to this companion planting video series. I'm Ellie Young and I'm going to be teaching you as much as I know about companion planting for a flourishing garden. Today our landlord was so chuffed to come in and share with me that his lemon tree is finally flourishing. Last year I suggested to him to plant a alyssum along the base of his lemon tree, and he didn't quite believe or know how it would work. But when I explained that the alyssum will attract hoverflies in, which will eat the whiteflies and the aphids that was running rampant on his, here's my point, running rampant all over his lemons, sucking the sap and bringing in disease to his lemon trees, a simple fix of planting a alyssum at the base and his lemon tree is flourishing. He was so chuffed to share this with me, and it actually made me feel really happy, because we can what is looking at because we can have all these different solutions by planting another plant. So hi and welcome. It really can be as simple as planting another plant to help your garden thrive, all without nasty chemicals. Come here. The way of companion planting that I teach allows the harmony of nature. So imagine a world where your garden thrives naturally, where it's bursting with life and colour, all while supporting the ecosystem all around it, supporting it, working in unison with Mother Earth and her cycles. Companion planting, it's not just a garden technique, it is a powerful strategy that enhances plant health and biodiversity. By strategically pairing plants together, we can repel pests, we can attract beneficial insects, even enrich our soil, all without the need for any nasty chemicals. My garden behind me, I do not use any chemicals whatsoever. I'd rather plant another plant. And I know what's growing and I know what is in my family's food that when I'm harvesting from the garden. So in this series we're going to explore a myriad of benefits of companion planting, from boosting your microbial activity in your soil, bringing in all the beneficial insects such as the bees that will help your garden thrive. And every benefit, we're going to go through 10 benefits actually, will contribute to a healthier environment. And as we cultivate relationships with our garden, because with every plant and everything in together, it's always in relationship. It's always that partnership with, even with your plants, even with your garden. So we're not only improving our yields, but we will also be nurturing the planet, Mother Earth, which will mean more bees, healthier ecosystems. Vibrant gardens await those who are willing to embrace this sustainable practice. Join me as we dive deep into the transformative power of companion planting. It really is transformative. And bigger picture, you're looking after Mother Earth. You're encouraging the bees to be able to still thrive. For our food, we need the bees. And if we are using chemicals, then we're not always going to have the bees around. If you're spraying anything in your garden, and if the bee comes and lands on it, we already know that that some of the bees are being affected already. So the less we use chemicals, and if we just don't use them at all, the better our environment will be. Because when we garden wisely, we actually create a flourishing future for everyone. us, our children, and our grandchildren, and future generations. So hang with me over the next 10 videos as we cover the 10 benefits, the plant combinations that work really well. I will also include the ultimate companion planting guide, which will go through what we're discussing in these videos in paper format, so you can always refer back to them as well. Any questions? Let me know.